guys, it's Cam. Oh, frick.
And Murray.
I gotta turn off this.
And Izzy.
I'm gonna press the button.
Natalie.
I'm gonna beat your
How did you
ass.
get there though? Sorry. Alright.
You're the car. Yeah. Okay.
They were playing Go Press the Button.
Oh,
the button. I
she pressed it. She pressed it.
I didn't even die. This game's a cheater. This is victimism. Okay, I'm doing a backflip. Out of anger.
No. Ew! It already stank like fish. It already stank like
What?
fish. It stank like fish.
Shut the hell up.
It
Close your
stank.
legs.
It stank. Oh!
I'm gonna push all. No, I want to press the button.
I did it.
I'm gonna.
Oh!
So cute. I'm small.
That's such a lie. You aren't cute. Get out, bro.
Shut the hell up. No one was even talking to you.
Press the button and give us something good.
Kokomako chimi samira.
Oh, okay. This is red light, green light. Green light.
Can we push people?
I got it.
I want to push Cam.
Kokomako chimi No.
Shut, I'm doing a video.
Imagine.
I thought that yet. Wait, what?
We just got 8 free pizzas!
Izzy, stop where you are. I need to win.
Nah, buddy, nah.
Oh my, it's okay. We both won.
Okay.
Wait.
We're all winners except for Cam.
Yeah!
Frick
Woo.
you. You smell like fish.
I don't care. You don't even know what I smell like.
I've played
What
these.
the hell? I love Spleef. What the hell?
No. Guys, I couldn't jump. This is rigged.
I fell immediately.
Easy.
The timer and the game starting.
I'm not gonna ask. I'm not gonna ask. It's cute though.
Oh god, Easy. Where's everybody else?
We
We're
died.
all dead. I died before the game started.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Easy, we did it! Yay!
Wait, I need my.
Hey, no, I want to push the button.
Oh, it's not right about us. Find a key. Where can we find a key?
Mine.
There's the disc.
I found a key.
I also found a key.
That's not the right.
door didn't open.
Where's the key?
I remember it's funny playing a game like this.
Oh yeah, they deleted the game.
Is that the key? No, it's not.
You guys know something?
Come on, where's the key?
I was wanted to play that
Let's see if it's this one.
Watch, this is gonna be the key. My key is. What the hell? That was totally me.
I did it!
No, that wasn't you. You still have to.
Yeah, I got it.
School
No,
ball.
I feel soccer. Whoa.
No, I'm such a soccer player, bruh.
I don't think any of us are going to get this ball.
Yo, move. Yo, back.
Frick you.
I won. I didn't even do nothing.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Oh.
Fuck!
Oh,
Why
that's
did you
good.
cross the road?
No, mommy. Mama, you're supposed to hold my hand while we cross the road. This is not very nice.
Too big for that now.
Excuse me. You cannot be talking. You're bigger.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I made it.
I did not make it. I died on the second road.
Shut your fucking mouth!
Oh, I made it. There's no hope for me.
Oh, frick.
At least you didn't die. I died.
Yeah, I didn't.
I got hit by a yellow car.
I don't keep saying that. Zombies are roaming the crowds. Run.
Oh hell no, we're cooked. We're dead. If we were all in a zombie apocalypse, we would probably be
Wait,
dead.
why am I a zombie? I don't want to be a zombie.
I died first.
Wait, how did you die?
I said I
Oh, wait, I thought you died.
in real
Oops.
life, but in game.
I'm here.
Get the hell away from me.
Me too.
Wait, there's no exit.
How are we supposed to get out?
We cooked. We're still cooked.
I got you.
Who died?
I am the zombie.
Yeah.
How am I a zombie? What the hell?
I got you.
Mama.
Oh.
Zombies win.
Where's Vine Boom?
I pressed the button.
Let's go, Tree. Yay! I'm a pretty princess. I'm a pretty princess. I'm a pretty princess.
Yay, I'm a pirate.
No.
I say
I'm a
yes.
pretty princess.
No.
Let's knock. Oh frick.
I get no.
No.
Trick or treat.
Choo-choo-choo.
Oh fuck.
I was gonna die.
This is so adorable.
I'm totally still alive.
Yo.
I told you.
Yo. No, my princess hat.
I was a pirate. I'm a cool pirate.
I want to eat him.
Hey, this isn't fair.
Oh frick. Izzy's like.
Hey. Hey.
I won.
Oh my gosh, got it.
She still has her hat.
That's the button.
I don't think I pressed it.
I pressed it.
Okay, bet.
Me too. My mom was thinking. 3, 2, 1. Bam.
Hey, get the hell away from me, blue Kool-Aid. Oh wait, I am blue. Never mind. Well,
Get this ugly blue off. It needs to be red.
The blue.
no, wait,
Exactly. No.
Nah, get this off the walls. It's hideous. It's ugly. Ew.
that's not nice. Blue is better.
Blue is
Nah, red-
blue is a better color. Like just saying.
Something.
I did not press that.
What happens if you go in? No, I don't want to go in.
Big old-
Oh my! I'm so cute. I look so cute. I look so cute.
No.
So cute.
No.
I pressed the button.
What the?
Join us. A lever is hiding somewhere in the bushes. Find it and pull it to open the temple door.
Tell it?
I
You
found
tell it
like
to
this before.
Where are they?
Get the hell away from me. I pulled it. Yay!
No.
Yes, head inside. Open the chest. Head inside.
Wait for me.
I'm so good at this. Wait, Natalie, I opened it. Why can't I
Oh,
get
fuck.
treasure?
Well, maybe it's because you're too slow.
You're
Well, I
too
hope
slow.
Oh, I also opened it. Oh, I got a little coin. Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna open it.
Wait.
Open it.
Yeah, I'm gonna push y'all.
I'm gonna see if I can go to the shop and buy. Oh no. I'm
Oh, press it, press it.
Press the button.
I pressed it.
No, I
like singing. That was me.
Oh fuck.
dancing.
nah.
I like
If
Drake.
you could, I was.
Any real Roblox player would know never to go in the middle.
That one was.
Down.
Oh,
Where we get spears from?
Why am I always red? No, this is my. What you talking about? Oh.
oh, we're supposed to get these spears in our hole.
These aren't even spears. These
No,
are
no.
circles.
No. Yeah, ours.
This is ours. This is ours. Go, go, go. This is ours. This is ours.
They are.
Hey, what happened?
Y'all having a
You
little.
get that one.
Y'all having a little trouble there?
Woohoo.
Y'all having like a little bit of trouble there? You
Get
know. Fuck.
Whoa.
No, you move.
no.
You biggie. You take this one. I don't care.
Get off. This is my ball.
No, mine.
Come on, yeah, we got this.
It's my ball. What are you
Mine.
doing?
It's
Oh, it's my ball. No,
Help us, please.
you don't get the ball.
We suck, bro.
Come on, push it in. Push it in. Yeah. Oh,
What?
Yo, hell. Oh no, I pushed in.
No.
No. Get this ball out of here.
Finally.
This ball.
No.
My ball just doesn't want to go into the
Get off the ball.
hole.
no. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Get in the hole.
Oh, get in the. Whoa.
Okay. Guess who got the ball now?
My ball wouldn't fit.
Oh, I'll take blue. I'll take blue. I'll take blue. Oh, I'll take blue. I want blue. No, I wanted blue.
I got pink.
Why is this in here?
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Oh hell no, we got flashbang.
Wow.
Y'all stupid.
Get out of my face.
Who did that?
I think I put it in the wrong spot.
I didn't put. I
Yeah, I know who I'm gonna get.
No, get the fuck back.
Get up.
Get back.
No, why are you
Hey. I don't know how to play this game.
Guys, I'm stuck. I can't move. I'm stuck. Guys, I'm
Wait, I
stuck.
can't move. I can't move. I can't move. I couldn't move.
Dumbass. Sorry, mom. Sorry, mom.
Oh, you pushed your own mom off? That's crazy. That's crazy.
Fuck.
You got it, Izzy. I don't know.
I can't move.
Someone just pinged me. Hold on.
Lasers will come towards you. Get to the safe spots. Oh god.
A spots. What?
What the heck? Oh, what the heck? I don't know.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention.
Wait, no, I don't want to do this. Of course you are. You want me to monkey?
I'm on PC. This is the game.
I'm next around this.
What else? What can I buy?
I don't like this game. This reminds me of another game I played.
Yeah, like jump through the hole. That game. Whatever.
Hello.
Dude, my voice is so rapid. Yeah.
Yeah. I want the button. I did not press that button.
I'm zoning out. I swear. Wait, what is it? What does it say? We.
Zoning out. You weren't talking.
Are you wearing your glasses?
Wait, what are we trying to look for?
We're trying to finish the maze before it disappears. That's it.
Oh, we disappear?
And before the maze disappears, we have a timer.
Oh, why can't we disappear then?
I don't know.
Oh.
Ask the maze.
Let me know when you guys are done so that I can press the button. Actually, you know what? I'm coming with you guys.
My button.
Yeah?
I love buttons.
So we're just following you.
Someone go through that hole. I'll go through this way. Thank you.
I did it.
What the heck? Oh, man.
I didn't finish. Oh, I finished the maze.
Why are y'all finishing it? I'm all the way like in the corner.
Woohoo!
There's no hope for us, ladies. There's no hope. There's no hope. There's no hope. There's no hope.
Oh, no!
There's no hope.
Whoa.
Whoa! Me, you.
Galaxy.
I'm starting to the star.
Ow, ow. I was sitting on my butt for too long and it hurts. I pressed the button.
Oh fuck.
Oh no, I hate this. Oh no.
We're gonna be golden. That's who we're meant to be. We're gonna be golden.
This is easy. Yep.
Oh no, it's getting fast.
Is it getting
No. Owie. That was. That was not me, bro. Green. Fuck.
Yeah, stop exploding. What does that like?
The same people died again.
And the same people are going to survive.
Izzy should have died.
Green light.
This is weird. I touched the thing. I tried to.
Oh my god!
That was randomism.
No, because like I
I touched the button.
I'm gonna jinx myself.
Oh no, the chef is missing ingredients. I really don't care.
Oh,
Yeah, who can
Don't worry. I'll help you.
get your own ingredients, you dirty pig?
do you need that, Mari?
Was I talking to you? No. So why do you need to
What are you making?
I'm making me a cake.
What's the book, everybody?
Oh, she's making a cake. I think. Yeah.
Knuckle sandwich.
Yummy. Yummy.
Yay.
Oh yeah,
Can I dip my cake in it?
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I don't like this. I don't like.
No, my
I pressed the button.
I'll die too.
Oh my god! This reminds me of a Butch Life minigame.
I don't have a
Yes,
I don't have a basket.
I done it.
I didn't get a basket. I never got a basket. What?
Dang, no ducks for you. Sad.
Wow.
Give me a duck!
Oh, don't you then.
These are literally my ducks. Get away from my ducks. Where the hell are these ducks going? Got 3 ducks.
Oh, I got one. Give me that shit.
Dakari. I'm gonna cut this part out while I talk to you, cause Caramel like friend requested me, so I'm scared.
Oh no, they want to ask this thing to join.
No, we're not. Oh,
Again.
What is this?
don't bother me again.
This game is broken. It doesn't even push people off of me, and I froze again.
Oh, do you need that, Izzy?
Bro,
Do
this
you
game
need
has
that?
to be rigged.
I've been froze. Damn, I freaking froze again.
Come here. Come here.
No!
Daru, come here. Oh. Yeah, you pushed me off last time. You're gonna get the death for that.
No! Can't even work mine. Can't work my blow dryer.
Yo, I knocked her off. I helped you.
We all won. Okay, I pressed the button. Look around, everybody on mute.
Simon's just jump.
Me and my crew.
You moved! How would you move, dude? Ooh. Oh no! Oh, it's a cute little noob.
That's a new step with us now.
Free admin at my place.
Defend this statue from noobs.
Yo, do you need
I
that?
got a win.
Get the hell out.
Can we stab our teammates?
That's a silly question.
Wait, y'all, let's protect. We have enough people to protect each door. Guys, go to your own door.
Hey,
Go to your own door.
I'm going to my door over here. This is my door. My door has no noobs in it, so I don't have to do anything.
Where's Dakari? Oh.
You're gonna jinx yourself.
Oh, they're the hammer noob.
You're not getting any noobs. Yeah. Oh, never mind.
Oh, frick.
Ew, he's ugly.
Just like you.
I do not know. I'm back.
All my nukes are coming here. Hey, get on your own side, bro. What are you doing? Bro, this is my door.
Bam!
My door.
Wait, shoot!
Get away. Get away. It's killing me.
Oh fuck! Guys, help! No!
It's easy till it gets really hard.
No! Mama.
Back off! This is our turf.
All right, do we get our admin? Where's our admin?
I lost my cake. I didn't get a
Give
finish.
the ornaments to the tree. The player with the most ornaments put on the tree wins.
Oh, bet.
How do you read that so fast?
Oh.
Wait, what the? Okay.
I missed a single ornament.
Yo, get on your own side. This is my side.
Damn, why y'all got so many ornaments for? Come down.
Wait, yeah, why do you have to there you go.
Take some.
Dude, it's not working. I keep like
Whoa. Okay.
Yay!
Watch out.
Kill you.
I'm good.
like,
Not this again.
oh, why are you listening to me? I don't like you. I want to die. Yeah, let me die.
Yeah, we get balls again.
Can I just help the other team so we can get over with? Because I know we suck.
No, Cam, come on.
Y'all team is uneven.
Well, damn, you pushed my ball. How could you?
Oh, I'm helping them.
You pushed
They're not going to win.
I want to jump in the hole.
Bro.
We all win if you guys help us.
Take that ball.
No. Wait, how do I being pushed this way? This way!
Oh.
No, stop! No!
What
do you think you're doing?
Stop it.
No, is he? No, this side. Red team. No! Blue team!
Yeah,
No.
why do you keep taking them off?
Blue team, yeah! No, red team. Blue team. Time to join the Aquabat! Yeah!
Hey, we actually got 6. Oh yeah, I gotta press the button.
Running!
Oh no, it does one on me.
Oh
I
fuck!
live by the beach, so I might be hit with by.
Actually, I don't know how we could do this.
I'm already up here.
Tsunami. Ravi? Wait, hold on.
Let me answer.
Tsunami.
No.
Stop it!
I pressed the button.
I pressed the button. Let me press the button.
Oh, no.
fuck.
This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad.
Fuck.
This is gonna be bad.
Fuck.
This is gonna be bad. This is gonna be bad.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Nothing bad. I did not press my button. Boulders.
I hate these damn boulders.
No!
My head is so big. No, I lost my big head.
Why would you want that?
Because it was cute.
I'm
Great. No.
We can talk about this.
What's gonna happen?
we
Do
can-
it again. See what's gonna happen.
We can talk about this.
Wait, no.
Wait, nah.
Go.
Come here. Push.
No.
Ow.
Cam. We're supposed to push the bombs. I thought we were supposed to push each other.
Fuck.
My hair.
Dakari. Dakari.
Sorry.
Damn it, I died.
I'm gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut this piece out again because Caramel just asked me if he can join the Sanrio squad. Guys, what should I do about that?
Wait a minute.
Oh, this is Caitlin with the chicken butt joke.
Wait a minute. Who wants to join?
Caramel. I'm talking to Kari about it because
Oh wait, I have to delete messages. I have to delete. Wait. I have to delete messages.
no, because Dakari, I have to ask if. Okay, I'll just after this video. I'll tell you.
Hey, do you like my necklace?
Okay, let me see your necklace. Let me see your necklace. Oh hell no! You need to stop, baby. Lesbian.
Y'all want to know what the rock sounds like? It sounds like a like button.
Ooh!
I eat that. Oh no.
Oh, Cam, get the fire extinguisher!
Fill up.
Get the fire extinguisher! Yes, go Cam! Go Cam! Go Cam!
Wait,
Cam, what are you doing?
press the button. Okay.
Yeah!
And with that.
I just got another fire with this button.
Speed run. Oh yeah.
Speed run.
This.
I will run a speed run.
Hello, what the hell are you doing in here?
I'm done! I'm done with my life! I'm done with my life! I'm stuck! I'm stuck!
Skill issue.
I hate myself. No, guys, literally, I'm actually stuck.
Oh fuck.
Oh, Cam, skill issue.
That wasn't me.
Okay, I saw Cam fall.
It's okay, I can
Well,
talk
I did it once, so I don't really do it again.
Loki want a cam sandwich. I want a camwich, like a grilled camwich. You know, like
I feel like it would taste like hair.
a camwich is
It would taste like
a grilled camwich. Fuck.
A sandwich would taste like Hot Topic.
Oh yeah, true.
Wait, where am I? I died in the air. So I don't get any. Not again.
Yes, again!
Why are y'all invisible?
You're stuck! Oh no.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh shit.
Oh, I want.
No.
Cam, how do you die?
Cause I wasn't paying attention. I zoned out.
Ew, why am I? Hey, ew.
Natalie, why are you invisible?
I am not invisible. What are you talking about? Oh, what the hell?
You can jump off the. Cam.
Yay!
I pressed the button.
I got it.
Bro, what are you in?
I'm gonna know what the bubble wrap will sound like. It will sound like a like button.
Bubble? This bubble wrap looks peppermint.
They look like Mentos. You know, like the one thing where like you put Mentos in the Coke and explode. I want to try that.
I don't think anybody
I pressed the button.
eats Mentos.
I mean, I would. Time to spam, click the button. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Go, click. Which button is it? Are we doing it right? We doing it right?
I hope.
Because it says the spam clicking.
Are we supposed to click this button?
Oh, cool.
Okay, now let's press it for real. But I don't know. Not again.
Not again. I wasn't paying
I hate
attention.
these buttons. Ow.
Oh, I'm actually dying.
I like the button.
Bro,
No, no, no.
don't even. PMO.
Ow. I never did anything about that house.
I went bald. Not again. This one doesn't even give anything.
Damn it!
Okay, I gotta lock in and stop like falling at the end.
Yeah.
Shut up.
It's okay, I'll go to a Bobby
I
cheese run.
saw Sam die twice.
At the end also, so.
I hate this game. I wanna.
I just saw somebody die.
What?
Bro, it smells like ramen.
Yeah, I did it!
Celebrate. Holiday.
Celebrate good times, come on. It's not a celebration.
Okay, don't get a copyright. It. I'm
Who
playing.
guess who won twice?
Good job!
Natalie, I'm gonna press the button, okay?
No.
Too many times.
I pressed the button already. What?
Run.
Oh, I remember watching somebody play a game like this, but it was like Undertale, I think.
Guys, Takari's not doing anything. You should, I don't know if you guys should be scared.
Oh, thank you.
I think we're gonna be. I think it's gonna be really bad. It's gonna be really bad.
Y'all did it.
Wait, yay, we won, actually.
That was actually not that bad. Sorry.
Somebody didn't make it. Crazy. Oh, I didn't even get to press the button. I was spamming it.
You need to dodge laser. There's no red
Stay
flag.
away from the red platform.
Oh, dang. This is good.
Guys.
I think that is great.
We're good. Did somebody
I want to push
Oh.
people to the red side.
down? Oh, okay. It was Gary! Easy!
No, Mama.
No!
Mama,
Could
no.
it be me?
Oh God! I almost died.
Yo.
Nobody survived. That was rigged.
Rigged.
Again?
Y'all look bad.
To redeem yourself. It's time to redeem ourselves. This is good. This is a pretty cool game. Everyone, if you want to try out the game, press the button.
No, don't press the button, actually.
Nobody really plays.
Bam, 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 bam.
Damn, I have no elements on there.
Alright,
Hands up.
one.
I only got 2050.
Cheesy!
Yeah!
I flopped.
I pressed the button!
Mario. Go.
Stop hopping. We have to defeat those enemies.
Bam.
Hey, who stabbed me?
I did not stab you.
Who stabbed me? So big and
You guys are not giving me a chance to be well.
teamwork makes the dream work.
Really?
Yes, buddy.
There's barely any freaking zombies. It's only skeletons.
Because we told them at their spawn points.
Yeah, but like there's barely any coming out.
Hey.
Yeah. Whoa, we get a potion.
Wait, Queenie!
Wait, is there a way to
A jump potion is for everyone.
jump potion?
Don't make me wide. It did fucking
It doesn't
nothing.
even go.
Where did it go? Ow.
Ow.
Are you serious? Why would you move?
Y'all can move.
I pressed a button.
Oh!
Oh fuck. out.
Here, I literally got spawned in.
I got spawn killed. Wow!
Well, this is a weird way for this video to go.
Oh
Yeah.
no! Wait, I pressed the button. Yeah. Oh.
Okay, bet.
This is bad. This is bad. Why am I walking?
Hey, we're friends, right?
Cam!
I'm gonna press this button, so move away.
No, you keep hogging it.
Cam,
Oh,
don't
well.
even think about it.
Oh, okay.
I feel like something bad is gonna happen.
Move.
Go easy. Cam!
I'm not.
Cam, now we can't make it.
Bro, this is gonna take forever. We're not gonna be able to finish this.
Fuck.
Shoot!
Cam.
Get it.
No. Damn it.
Are you serious? Oh, what the hell?
Did you die?
No, I want to go. No, I want to do this.
Move.
Come on.
Here.
I want to do this. Cam's gonna bother me.
If we all die, then it'll go quick. Come on.
Oh.
Bye.
I'm done. I'm team.
I always put us together.
I mean, we're just cool like that, I
I
guess.
think they have a favorite color
Why
and
are
it's
we
blue.
always on the same team? I don't want to be on the team with
Should
you.
we have like a little ending?
That's crazy.
I'm almost about to go out for like dinner at another person's house.
I'm a mommy.
I'm almost about to go out, so
Okay. Well,
thank you all so much for watching, everyone.
that's the end of
This
the
is a
video.
pretty weird video.
Bye.
Like and subscribe for more.
Yeah.